If you love to read books, then the same content of this series, I for Investment, is available in a readable format. The name of the book is I for Investment, Applying Common Sense While Nurturing Your Portfolio of Stocks. Click on the below link and grab your copy today.
Welcome to your own channel, Romance with Finance, a brand of Financial Freedom Hub. On this channel, you get the videos and information on personal finance. In the previous videos, we understood how we can find out the quality companies which are listed in the stock markets just by analyzing our daily routine and by analyzing the products and services that we use on a daily basis. Let's keep the momentum rolling and explore some more companies which are listed in the Indian stock markets by analyzing our daily routine. As we were discussing about the transportation sector, now if we further explore the transportation sector, either it is a passenger vehicle or a commercial vehicle, be it an electric vehicle or an internal combustion engine vehicle which are run on diesel and petrol, or a CNG operated vehicle. All of these vehicles are run on tires. As mentioned earlier, that the demand of both type of vehicles will never be out of trend. All of these vehicles run on tires. So here we have figured out one more sector wherein we can invest our money for the long run. So let's go ahead and take a look on these companies which are listed in the Indian stock markets, and these companies can be considered as a part of our long-term investment portfolio. Cricket has been quite a popular sport in India. Those who have interest in cricket must have watched Sachin Tendulkar, Brian Lara, Rohit Sharma batting on the pitch. Remember back then when they used to bat? They were promoting MRF brand because MRF logo sticker was there on their bats. MRF is a leading tire manufacturing company in India. The full name of MRF is Madras Rubber Factory. Some more companies which are in the business of manufacturing, trading and dealing in tire businesses are JK Tyres, Apollo Tyres, Balkrishna Industries, Seat Tyres and LG Rubber. As we could figure out a lot of companies by analyzing our lifestyle and our daily routine, so the question arises in which company we should invest by purchasing the stocks. Because it can happen that one company is performing positively and another company might perform negatively due to numerous reasons. Therefore, in order to eliminate that confusion, we as an investor can buy the entire index or the index funds. Similarly, as we bought the basket of the fruits to get all type of nutritions, index fund is like a basket of all the good stocks, which is traded on the stock exchange similar to the individual stocks. Hope this video was useful to you and you have learned something today. If yes, then